It's already browning. We'll add that.
Gotta hook it up. Get all that out of there. See?
Let it boil,
Let it boil. Do what it do.
Now you put your lid on and let it simmer on low.
Green beans starting to get active.
French cut, French style.
French style, that's my jam.
No salt added.
No salt added, of course. That's the Miller's way, though.
Yes, Lord.
You do it how you do it, we do it how we do it. Our way is TMF, the Miller's way. Don't skip the flip.
Yeah. Almost done. Too juicy.
Yes, Lord. Them boys going. Fire! Look at the steam on this thing. Plating your dish is sexy.
Gotta have a lot of vegetables, y'all.
Yes, Lord. Leave that bean backwash in there.
No, that's good. That's alkaline water. Excuse you.
Kind of my jam. Don't skip the flip.
Wrong one. Put all kind of seasonings in there.
Oh yeah, seasoned to perfection.
Mixed it in the bowl. Stirred it up like it was a spoon. Stirred the chicken. Oh, it's hot.
We'll be back.
Chicken on 375.
Oh, slow cooking that bird.
So what I'm gonna do is pour some of this juice off of here, cause it's ruining my oven.
Unnecessary juice.
Everything fights me back.
Mm-hmm.
I'm too rough.
They like, please skip the flip.
Oh, can't skip the flip.
Can't
Gotta
ever
be evenly done.
skip the flip. Oh yeah.
Now let's pour some of this juices off here.
Smells so good.
Now it's gonna make more fresh juice.
Yeah, that's done.
It's gonna keep going. It's gonna be looking even better.
Let's get it done. Oh.
Check me out, y'all. This is how it looks. It's gonna get better.
Them boys is looking good.
Yes, Lord. And hubby loves the flats.
Yes, Lord.
Him love the flats.
Yep.
His fave. They're kind of sticky, but it's all good. They ain't taking the meat.
Yep.
You want
Look
little
at the
shitty
flip.
guys.
Okay.
Then the other
Nice.
side get done.
And we be having action here.
Whoa!
We lost one.
Shit, no, we did it. It hit the floor.
Oh, okay.
Hit the oven.
That soldier jumped into the oven.
Tell you, they be always fighting me.
Suicide bomber.
Yeah.
Time for y'all bath.
Yeah. 50% sugar
Oh, yeah.
in the barbecue sauce. Was it less?
Less sugar.
50% less. That's just taking too long.
Yeah.
A little too long, player. Ain't got patience like that.
It's the Miller's way.
Come on. Definitely gotta soak the pan.
Yo. Let me put a glove on. I'll be back.
60% less sugar and sodium. Bomb.com.
Mm-hmm. They hot in the mud.
Yes, Lord. Told you, if you ain't getting burnt, your head ain't hot, you ain't cooking.
You know it. Get it real mixed up with that barbecue sauce. Oh yeah, that's the Miller's way. That's how we get out.
Mm-hmm.
Fire.
Yes, Lord.
All deliciousness mixed up.
Mm-hmm.
You have it. Fully sauced.
And I'm gonna redo it.
Even me. Oh yeah, the steps ain't over.
Yeah, I do a lot of steps. But that's why it makes it fire.
Get it up out of there. And... Oh yeah.
In that same pan, do your thug thistle.
Yeah, look at them. Already beautiful. We finna make them right.
Yes, Lord. Slide in there.
Beware, the smell of your kitchen will be amazing.
Yeah. And I'm gonna use some of that if we need extras.
Yeah. Keep your sauce.
Keep your sauce.
You had already cooked wings in there. It ain't nothing wrong with it.
Show wing rich.
Finished product. Now it's time to get it to the plate.
Yes, Lord.
And we have the finished product.
Marinated in that sauce. Look at that. Mouth watering.
Fire. Gotta love that TMF wifey cooking.
Bomb.com.